Stop doing that, bro.
It's illegal now.
Well, yeah. Is it? That was not a lot of work.
It's not illegal.
Another meeting of the Go Club on Monday.
It was 17.
Yeah, she's still
I'm
young.
gonna regret going there.
Don't you guys love Go Club?
You're not 21.
Oh, I was 17
Dude,
too.
we have like
I know,
4
but
people here.
4.5 to be legal.
Yo. We have like 4 people here today.
The game.
That's sad.
What about the guy holding my camera?
I already counted him.
No,
Why?
you didn't.
Yeah, it's true. Wait. Shit, I wish I could zoom in. Damn it. I wish I could zoom in. Man, this is like a minute long. I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
A minute long.
I was made in 2006.
Was it?
That's what it says.
Nuh-uh. 7/22/06?